So I'm welding together the, I'm going to call it the carriage, the part that the bandsaw beam is going to raise and lower on and is going to roll on the rails. So don't worry, these are empty. I know I'm welding right there. It looks really close. It's farther than it looks. But anyway, the beam is actually going to raise and lower on this post right here. And then the rails that this rolls on, or the rollers, V rollers, are going to be on this post right here, and it'll slide on the rails there. So I'm working on welding it together right now. This is what I got so far, but it's going to be pretty tall. I tried to keep it under 12 feet so I can make it in a 12-foot overhead door if I have to. But it's really close to 12 feet. All right, got it mostly assembled here. I've just got it tack welded down here for those cross pieces there. And then I'm gonna weld in some pieces in these spots to make it a little bit sturdier. I'm probably gonna do some like angle braces on the top and bottom, but not the middle, to make it a little bit stiffer, and then this will be mostly complete. I still have to put the wheels on the bottom of here. I'm thinking 4 on each side, just to help spread the load out a little bit. So here we are, starting to look a little bit more like something now. So this is obviously going to stand straight up. There will be wheels down here. Like I said before, probably 4 that will run on the rails, and this whole thing will ride back and forth. Just about got these braces up here welded in. I've got the bottom ones welded in, working on the top ones now. So I'd show you what's going on. I think I might still weld some kind of small brace in right here, top and bottom, both sides. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what kind of material I have for that when I get there. Hey guys, today I'm working on the V-groove wheels or casters for the carriage. I bought these V-groove wheels off from Amazon. They originally came, this bracket, I've cut it in half, but it came in one piece and fit perfectly here around the wheel. But I wanted the wheels to be able to slide because I'm not sure that my track is perfectly straight. So I wanted this to be able to move a little bit in case it needs to move with the track, and keep the carriage from spreading out or anything like that as it rolls down the track. So I cut the bracket here in half, welded it on there, and the problem was in these wheels there was bearings in here, and they would just flop out of the caster here. So I took the TIG welder here, and I just fused a washer on the outside so that they won't fall out. If I need to replace them, I can just cut that out and weld some new, or put some new bearings in there. But I think this should work pretty well. Then I got these bolts here with a nylon lock nut, and then I'll just cut off the end of that bolt right there. So that's what I got going for my wheels. I'm gonna stick all 8 of them on here, and that should be that for the casters. Well, spring came and then summer came. Now I'm finally pulling the sawmill back out to work on it. I've done quite a bit that I didn't video. So I built these, I guess you could call it a bearing, that'll slide on the rails here. Same, there's one over there. I tacked it to the beam here, and then I welded a a coupler nut in here that'll roll on the threaded rod to, as those spins, it'll raise and lower the beam. So one turn will be 1/8 of an inch. So, and that's where we're at right now. I've got some bearings up here for the threaded rod to spin in. I'll have the same kind of thing going down there. And then we'll have chain or sprockets with the chain going through here to turn the screw. So that's where we're at right now, and making some progress.